Close to parks and amenities. This address delivers attributes that you can afford. And it is also stylish and aspirational. The home has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen has recently been refurbished. This home offers a small and private outdoor entertaining space and gives low maintenance lifestyle and freedom from chores. It comes with built-in wardrobes to all bedrooms, as well as a conveniently located family bathroom. Add to that split system air conditioning. Looking for a property that is priced to sell? Perfect for a family with teenagers. Act quickly. Homes like this don't last long.